L&Y Bearing Co Ltd is a leading precision bearing manufacturer. We specialized in angular contact ball bearing, thin wall ball bearing, deep groove, bow bearing LR series and LFR series tapered roller bearing for over 30 years. These products are widely used in low noise machines, water pumps, oil pumps, automotive air conditioners, spinning machines, reducers, polishing machines, and so on. We are customer oriented, which aims to provide customers quality products P0, a P6, a P5, a P for precision level with reasonable price. Free samples are available for quality checking. Regarding 3056 series, we have the most complete models and the largest output in China. We will continue to offer better quality products and help our customers gain more profit.